everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tania. Please take a moment to subscribe and press the bell icon beside it to get notified whenever I upload a video. This look of Deepika Padukone is a perfect wedding guest makeup look and can be worn by anyone and everyone. So without further delay, let's just jump into the video. I'm starting with moisturizing my face with the Embryolish cream. For primer, I'm using a primer water from Wet n Wild today. This has a beautiful rose essence, so it feels really refreshing on your skin. At first, I will comb my brows with a spoolie and then I will fill in my brows with the Benefit Eyebrow Pomade. Deepika has a very filled in brows, so I am trying to achieve the same. I'm using the shade dark brown. If you are not comfortable using pomades, you can use any eyebrow pencil of your choice. Now I am using a clear gel. This is basically a clear gel mascara. I will use this to fix my brow hair. Now with a concealer, I will clean underneath my brows to give it a more prominent shape. Deepika has a flawless skin, which I obviously don't have, so to achieve that I have to hide all the discoloration and imperfections of my skin first, and for that I am using an orange color corrector from Purple. Now I will quickly run a damp beauty blender over this so that the orange color doesn't mix with the foundation. As you can see in the picture, Deepika has a very glowing next to skin like makeup, and to achieve that I am using a Milani foundation today. This foundation will give me the exact coverage along with the beautiful dewy finish and will not appear at all heavy on my skin. Now with a concealer which is 2 to 3 shades lighter than my original skin tone, I will highlight the high planes of my face. The primer I have used today is water based, and so it is really good for people with oily skin. But during summer, if you tend to sweat a lot, then this primer can't make your makeup long lasting. You need a silicone based primer to make your makeup long lasting. Now with some loose powder, I will quickly set my under eyes because this is the area which tends to crease first. I will do my cream contouring and then I will set my rest of the face. If you see Deepika's picture, she has not done any harsh contouring, but to add some dimension to my face, I will do cream contouring today at first because I don't have a chiseled face like Deepika. So I am using a darker color concealer stick from NY Bay, and then I will just blend it with the help of a damp beauty blender. If you want to get the effect of contouring without showing your contours much, then always go for cream contour rather than powder contour. For your convenience, I have listed all the products I have used in the description box below along with their buying links. If you plan to recreate any of these looks, please don't forget to tag me in social media. All my social media links are given in the description box. You can DM me on Instagram or send me messages in Facebook also, and tell me your suggestions regarding what type of videos you want me to do. Now I will set my entire base with the Maybelline Master Fix setting powder. With my Damn Beauty blender, I will just press the powder into my skin until it gets absorbed completely. This makes your makeup really long lasting and doesn't make your face cakey at all. Now I am using a setting spray to lock and seal everything. Now to bring back the warmth on my face, I am using a matte contour powder. I will use it very lightly so that it doesn't appear harsh. To bring forward certain areas of my face, I am highlighting with a lighter shade from the MAC Studio Fix powder. You can do baking also instead of this to get the same result. I am applying the powder on the same areas where I have applied the concealer to highlight my face previously. Doing this step will make your face appear fresh and healthy. Now is the time for the eye makeup, but before that, using my Damn Beauty blender, I will just blend the concealer and apply some loose powder to set it so that it doesn't crease. I'm using the Revolution Defiant palette. At first, I will take the brown color and apply it on my crease line, and also I will take it little bit higher than my crease line. Using the same brown shade, I will also smoke out my lower lash line. Now with my finger, I will apply the shimmery bronze color on all over my eyelid, and that's it. How easy was that? By this simple step, you can get this flattering eye look, and you can wear it with literally any traditional outfit. Now with a highlighter, I am highlighting my brow bone and also my inner corner. The showstopper of this look is the eyeliner that Deepika is wearing. So I will go for a thick eyeliner look today. I will draw thick lines on my upper and lower lash line and join both with a beautiful wing. Take your time and do it very carefully so that you don't smudge the eyeliner. We need a very clean and perfect line like this. And now to fill in, I will use the Lakme Iconic Kajal. This way your eyeliner will become more long lasting and will not smudge. So this is the completed eyeliner. Now I will quickly curl my lashes and apply some mascara, and I will apply some falsies off camera. Here I have used these false lashes from ProArt. Now for my blush, I am using the iMagic blush palette. And to get the illuminated face like Deepika, I am using a highlighter from the Makeup Revolution Soapex highlighter palette. This highlighter gives a beautiful glow without appearing too much shiny. And for the last time, I am applying the setting spray so that everything melts into my skin. For my lips, I will use two colors today. The first one is a nude brown shade, and the second color is a nude pink shade. I will outline my lips with the brown shade and then fill in with the pink shade. This will help me to achieve the exact lip color Deepika is wearing. So here is the completed makeup look, and here is the final look. So this is the completed look. I hope you all enjoyed watching this. Please comment below and tell me your thoughts about the look, and please send me your suggestions whether you like to see me doing this type of recreation videos or not. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like my work, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.